Hey, you cocktail connoisseurs. I'm back with James from Long Rays, and we're here to make another cocktail for you all.
Hey legends, we're gonna make a Davidsonia Spritz. Spritzes are all the rage. We're gonna do a different technique today. We're gonna throw it, the old school way to make a martini, one of the oldest cocktail making techniques in the world. We're gonna use some beautiful Davidsonia Gin that's coming from Animus in Macedon Ranges, then with some dry sherry, and then we're gonna top that up with some citrus tonic from us at Long Rays, which is beautifully blood orange, pink grapefruit, lovely, a little bit bitter, still not adding too much sugar, just this light styled spritz, perfect for a sunny day.
Hell yeah, good days. Teach me, master.
All right, the main thing to know about throwing a cocktail is you don't have to overdo it, don't get cocky with it. So we're just gonna add some ingredients to our base of our shaker. So this is 40 mils of this beautiful Macedonian Davidsonia Gin.
I love it. This color as well, into it. Look at that. Oh. Epic. I love how gin can just be so funky as well. Like, and I guess like, especially I've noticed around Australia, like a lot of these like natural, like natives and stuff being used to like enhance the flavors and no bullshit.
Well, the female distiller at Animus is absolutely incredible at championing these Australian ingredients. Davidson plums are incredible. They've got a rich, like blood orange, super dry texture and flavor to them. So they're absolutely perfect for making an infused gin that's kind of like a sloe gin,
Yep.
but a little bit more delicious in my opinion.
Hell yeah.
So now that we've got our main event in there, we're gonna add some dry sherry, some Fino.
The first time I heard sloe gin as well, I was like thinking it was gonna like slow me down, but no, like my night went by real quick after a few of them.
Having met you, man, nothing's gonna slow you down, all right?
And it was, how much of this?
20 mils.
20 mils, and we're just adding some Fino sherry into that. So this is your, what did you call it before? Your fortified, was it?
Yeah, it's a fortified wine. So with Fino sherry, it's a drier style sherry. And that's a fortified wine, so it's wine that's been given a little bit of extra booze and then left to rest. It's very Spanish style, and it can be used instead of a dry vermouth in a martini. You've got a lot of twists with it. It's one of my favorite things. Keep it in the fridge though, because it does go off real quick.
Okay, epic, good to know. All right, next ingredient.
Now we've got those two. Next ingredient is ice. Now, most of you at-home cocktail connoisseurs know that a Hawthorne strainer goes onto a shaker like that where it fits. We're gonna reverse it, just so we're doing things a little bit differently, just like you do on this YouTube.
We're playing that reverse card right now.
And then you're gonna grab shaker in each hand.
Yep.
And what we're doing here is we're gonna activate all of those nutty, nice dry notes of the sherry, and we're gonna oxidize and dilute the drink.
And you were saying like throwing it is the original way for a martini?
Yes.
Is that correct? Yeah. I'm gonna try it.
So probably the best way to do it is to start small.
Yep. And do it, I pour it back through the like holes of the Hawthorne, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So we just want to get as much surface contact of the liquid with that ice in there. So you can see that the shaker's nice and frosty here. And then you can get a little bit bigger if you want some more air and dilution. So you're only going to do this about 6 times.
Okay, yep.
And you'll actually see air bubbles start to form in the liquid.
Haven't dropped any ice yet, so I'm doing all right.
No, you're a thrower from way back. All right, do next, big one.
All right, here we go. Yeah, boy, I'm joining the NBA with these throwing skills. Sick.
You nailed it. All right, now we might have some ice shards in there. Got it. Might have a little bit of ice shards in there. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use a fine strainer.
Yep. And just chuck this in a beautiful Blackwoods wine glass. Look at that. Look at that glass. Oh yeah. Into it. Nothing like a bit of hardwood. And here we go. We'll just pour this one straight on top.
Yeah, straight in there.
Epic. Lovely.
we're introducing one more thing to it, and that is one of our mixes, the citrus tonic, blood orange, pink grapefruit, taste of summer. What we're actually going to do is we're not going to put ice in there yet.
Yep.
We're going to fill this up so it just sits right on that bottom of that doorway, the Blackwood side.
Can I just say yours is so much like colder than mine, like master. Like look at that. Like come on, mine will be enjoyed, but that looks epic. All right, so just a little dash, yeah.
Yeah, just no straight up to the bottom of that Plum sole on the glass.
Okay, cool.
Go.
Perfect.
Yeah, wonderful.
Here we go. That's bad boy. Look at that. So this is new product, is it?
No, this is a little bit old for us, a couple of years old, but it was a labor of love.
Yep.
This tonic water was actually the founder, Shiv's wife, loved blood orange and pink grapefruit, so we made a mixer for her heart, and it reached my heart.
Yeah, epic.
And so
I love that it's clear as well. Like,
well, it's a spritz,
Yep.
so it's got to look nice and summery.
yeah, 100%.
So we're just going to add ice. We fill this all the way up. As always, more ice the better.
Oh. There we go. Whoop. Get rid of this guy, do you reckon? Leave it? So more ice the better? There we go.
All right, now, super easy garnish. All we're going to do is dehydrate a bit of citrus there.
Yep.
Here's some we prepared earlier.
Bang. And as I said before, if you have an air fryer at home, cut some slices, air fry them on low, and I know how to do that.
A little bit of cracked pepper on top as well.
Ooh.
Just because we want to bring out that savory nature of the sherry. So a little bit of pepper, not too much. It's not going to go fully into your palate, but it's going to add to that nasal experience.
Oh, that looks sick.
90% of what you taste is going to come through your smelling anyway.
Yeah, epic. And would you have like, say, like any food or anything you reckon this would go with?
It's sherry, man. So tinned fish, a charcuterie board, basically any kind of stanky cheese, some good manchego.
Hell yeah, I'm into that. Alrighty, well, without further ado, brother, let's give this a try, yeah? Oh, look at that, pop straight in. Cheers, mate. Thank you, thank you.
No worries, enjoy it.
Oh, wow. Can I just say that pepper on the nose as well? Like,
Yeah.
that's sick. Like, because you get the citrus, then the pepper. Oh my God, thank you very much.
Dry sherry, really savory.
Yeah.
That is an absolute banger of a summer's drink.
Epic. Well, thank you for watching and have a good day.
Thanks.